Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken the topic direct and indirect speech. Now I would like to tell me about me that I am Kanchan here and I am English teacher. I teach English. Here direct and indirect narration. Narration means something that is spoken. When we change it into indirect, there are some rules we have to follow. And direct speech is what is direct speech? When we speak or read speaker's words in its own words, whatever the speaker has said, we have written the same, then it is direct speech. As Ram said, I am not well. But in indirect speech, we will write Ram said that he was not well. So while we change into indirect speech, we just remove the commas, and also we remove inverted commas, and also we change the pronoun. So here in reported speech, because the part that is spoken by the speaker, it is reported speech, and here it is reporting verb and reporting speech. So if reported speech is and subject is in first person, it takes the if subject is here first person, it takes first person, and then that he was not well. If subject is first person here, it takes the subject, like the subject, जो भी subject है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम चेंज करेंगे. अगर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. अगर आपका यहाँ पे सेकंड पर्सन है तो जिससे कहा गया है, सपोज यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट अगर हम कहते हैं राम सेड टू हिज फ्रेंड, इफ आई से लाइक इट, सो आई एम नॉट वेल. If I say in this way, this is object. So it will be changed according to object. And here then we will write Ram said to his friend that he was not well. तो राम ने अपने फ्रेंड से कहा कि वो ठीक नहीं है. तो अगर यहाँ पे यू लिखना होगा, सॉरी यहाँ पे यू लिखना होगा, यू आर नॉट वेल. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे यू किसके लिए आया है? यू आपके ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए आया है. ठीक है, तो अगर ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट अगर सेकंड पर्सन है, यहाँ पे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में अगर ये सेकंड पर्सन है, इफ इट इज सेकंड पर्सन, देन इट विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन टू whom द स्पीकर हैज टोल्ड समथिंग. अगर ये थर्ड पर्सन है, सपोज कि यहाँ पे थर्ड पर्सन है, मतलब अगर यहाँ पर ये लिखा है राम सेड राधा इज नॉट सिंग, राम सेड राधा डज नॉट सिंग ए सॉन्ग, तो वी विल राइट राधा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर थर्ड पर्सन है, दैट विल नॉट चेंज. अगेन there are sentences like you know very well, assertive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative and imperative and sentences are there. So in simple sentences we apply that, but in imperative sentences we use the conjunction word to. Suppose any sentence is there, my friend said to me, let's go for walk, let's go for a walk. तो अगर मेरे तो if I will change it into indirect speech, I will say that my friend suggested me to go for a walk. So in imperative sentence we use conjunction word to on the place of means we will not write that, we will write to. And if interrogative is there, then interrogative sentences, two type of sentences are there. Imperative sentences, suppose my teacher said to me, do you like mangoes? So here the reported speech is started with helping verbs. So this type of sentence has been written as if or whether. तो इस सेंटेंस में हम that नहीं लगाएंगे, हम लिखेंगे my friend और said to को चेंज करेंगे asked, या इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ। सो माई टीचर आस्क्ड मी इफ आई लाइक्ड मैंगोज। ठीक है। सो दूसरी तरह का जो सेंटेंस होता है, माई फ्रेंड सेड टू मी वेयर डू यू लिव। सो वेयर मतलब क्वेश्चन वर्ड से शुरू हुआ है। दूसरी तरह के जो सेंटेंसेज होते हैं वो क्वेश्चन वर्ड से शुरू होते हैं, उनको हम एज इट इज लगाते हैं, उसमें कोई कंजंक्शन नहीं होता है। जैसे माई फ्रेंड आस्क्ड मी वेयर आई लिव्ड। एंड नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में भी सपोज कि माई फ्रेंड सेड टू मी कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट्स, देन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज वेयर आर यू गोइंग। तो I will write my friend asked me where I was going. Suppose my friend said to me where are you going. So I will write it my friend asked me where I was going. See here, you has been changed according to me, I. So it is there. So and also we remove question marks. We remove question mark and we use there full stop. Next thing is there, some words are changed, like if there is now in the sentence तो now का then हो जाता है, today का on that day, and yesterday का previous day और tomorrow का following day. And the changes that takes place according to the tense. अगर आपका सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, तो ये पास्ट इंडेफिनिट सिंपल पास्ट हो जाएगा। अगर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इट विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस। इफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट इज देयर देन इट विल बी पास्ट परफेक्ट। सो इन द सेम वे हेयर इन पास्ट टेंस, if sentence is in past continuous, it will be past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous का नहीं बनता है, and past perfect doesn't change, past perfect को change नहीं किया जाता है। This is written as it is. Coming to the future tense, shall will they are replaced as would, and shall have will have would have, and also the future perfect continuous is not being changed. So here are few rules about changing in the tenses. Next, for imperative sentences, to conjunction word to is used, and for negative sentences not is being used. As if I take one sentence, my friend said that I have not worked, then I will write that my friend told me that he had not worked. In exclamatory sentences, we remove exclamation sign and write exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, means according to the mood of the sentence. And suppose if I take one example, as I am taking one example, he said to me, alas, I am ruined. So what we will do, he exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. So here you have seen that we have removed exclamatory sign here, and because it is in sad mood, so we have supplied, I have supplied here exclaimed with sorrow, and he, subject is he, then it will be according to the subject he was ruined. Okay students, I will discuss in class also. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.